80% of all infections are spread by touch. In the workplace, employees transfer germs every time they touch a door handle, coffee pot, or anything else. Sick employees means absenteeism, lower productivity, and higher healthcare costs. Fortunately, superior hand hygiene is simple when you wash, dry, and sanitize. Use KleenLine NRG Boost Foam Hand Wash to achieve an enhanced experience. KleenLine foam hand wash dispensers use a sealed soap system that, unlike bulk soap dispensers, prevents external bacterial contamination. Sanitary sealed refill cartridges snap quickly into place and are offered with energy on the refill technology, a coin cell battery that's integrated into the refill. This breakthrough innovation ensures every soap refill has a fresh energy source, reducing maintenance and resulting in a 68% reduction in battery waste. And KleenLine Boost Foam Hand Wash, made with clean release technology, enhances cleaning performance by reaching deeper into skin's cracks and crevices to gently remove dirt and germs, rinses cleaner and faster, and saves approximately 6 gallons of water per refill when compared to regular soap. So, say hello to cleaner, healthier hands. KleenLine. Call 1-800-995-4466 or visit getcleanline.com.